Did you know that every time you sell a coin, someone else is likely going to make money from it? Did you know that many coins pass through several dealers and resellers before finally reaching a collector? And did you know that, in many cases, the person who makes the least money from the sale is actually you? Yes, the original owner of the coin is often the person furthest away from receiving its true market value. But in this video, we're going to change that. We're going to show you how to move up the coin collecting pyramid, understand where the real buyers are, and put yourself in a much stronger position when it's time to sell your coins. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and comment "Sell Coins" below so we can stay connected and help you sell your coins faster and smarter. There are a lot of middlemen between the collectors who can pay surprisingly high prices for your coins, and the people offering you just a few cents for them. Like many things these days, marketing does most of the work. That's why you need to take advantage of the marketing power of the platforms you use to sell your coins and move up that pyramid where collectors can actually see what you're offering instead of selling to one reseller after another. Of course, trust and discretion are a very important part of this process. That's why it's usually easier to sell your coins on websites with a good reputation and secure payment systems. As a first tip, invest some time so you don't have to invest money unnecessarily. Start by selling your easier-to-find coins, the lower value ones. That way, people feel more comfortable buying from you with less risk. This is very important because many coin sellers are not completely honest when describing their coins in their listings. If you do things the right way, like we explained in our other videos, you can build a good reputation fairly quickly and slowly start increasing the value of the coins you put up for sale. By adding your reputation to the reputation of a platform like eBay or Amazon, you can combine marketing with honesty as a seller, and that can help you get into the collector market. There is no magic formula that will suddenly put your coins in front of someone willing to pay top dollar. Remember, the market is full of treasure hunters looking for opportunities. Many are waiting for people who want to sell their coins quickly, who need money, or who simply don't know what they have. And that's exactly why learning how the market works is so important. The more you understand the process, the better your chances of keeping a bigger share of the real value of your coins instead of leaving that profit for someone else. Now that you know your coins may be worth more than the offers you usually receive, leave us a comment and tell us which coin in your collection you believe has the highest value. We'll help you understand what collectors look for, what factors can affect its value, and what similar coins have sold for in the collector market. That way, you can compare the real market value with an offer you may have received from a dealer or reseller in the past. If you're not sure how to get started, how to identify your coins, or how rare and valuable they might be, check out our other videos. We have a lot of practical and realistic information designed for people who want to learn how the coin market really works. Remember, Coin2Go is a channel created by collectors to help you understand how coins are bought and sold in today's market. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.